Well, let's do our 3-minute update on the Iran war. Oil prices bounced by a couple of bucks today, but look at this one. Murban crude, $6 a barrel. This is UAE specific crude that goes through the Strait of Hormuz. You've heard about all the attacks on the ADNOC tankers. You've heard Chris Wright say, don't worry about it. We got plenty of oil going through the Strait. Markets don't believe the Secretary of Energy. Their oil is up $6 a barrel. Now, I've talked a lot about diesel recently. We're going to continue talking about that. Wholesale prices for diesel rose another 16 cents a gallon today. That is a significant one-day jump, 16 cents a gallon. So yes, those diesel prices are continuing to rise. Oil prices started off kind of slow today until we learned that Iran had captured and seized an oil tanker in the Strait of Hormuz and physically took control of it, and they have it now. Like, it's theirs, I guess. And that caused oil prices to really take off mid-morning to midday. And it was weird because we started the morning with a message from the administration that a 60-day extension to the ceasefire had actually been agreed to, but apparently that was a completely made-up story. Iran came out immediately and said, we haven't even talked to anybody, we don't know what they're talking about, and we are going on the offensive. I mean, over the last 2 weeks, Iran has fired at now 20 ADNOC, just one company, oil tankers in the Strait of Hormuz. Nobody was going to believe that they had come to some sort of agreement. As a matter of fact, when the announcement was made, the markets didn't move at all. Actually, oil went up a little bit. So the market has pretty much stopped believing what the administration says. It's moving into a we're going to have to see it to believe it sort of mindset. What else happened today? Crack spreads for diesel reached its highest level ever in history. It went over $103 in some places around the country, but it went over $100 everywhere. And we have never seen diesel crack spreads that high. If you're not sure what a crack spread is, it's basically the profit margin for a refinery. So a refinery buys a barrel of oil. They make over $100 a barrel on the diesel. The refinery is making more on the refined products than the oil company is making drilling and producing the oil itself. Yes, that's not a thing that's ever happened. I mean, at least at this level. So if you thought the profits were crazy on the last quarter's financials, wait till you see the next ones. And of course, the SPR dropped by another 5.3 million barrels over the last week. That's got us down to around 293 total million barrels in the SPR, and everyone wants to know, when does it stop working? The truth is, we don't know. That's the truth. If anyone says when the SPR gets to this point, it's done, they don't know what they're talking about, and it's a total guess. The fact of the matter is, it's never been this bad, and we don't know. That is 100% the truth. Thanks.